So, as per the plans, once you walk through the door from the stairwell, this is the office with the first table extending from the fireplace coming out, and the others across here with the bit on the end. That's very straightforward, just legs attached. And then in here, just to remind you, we do have the ceiling tiles to install, which again is that type acoustic. They just need spray adhesive to the ceiling in the locations on the floor plan. And then this acoustic material, which is the roll, the hush roll, that again to be spray adhesive to the back surface, and then this whole area around the fireplace, this the back surface to be set back slightly, and then also along the back there, at the top, down this wall and around this corner for maximum effect. Then there's the connection of the dining height table in the center of the room. That's going to have to be trunked, rubber trunking along the flooring. So there's various places to get connections. Then of course there's installation of the water tap and the instant hot water tap. And then the main timber frame in front of the server over the whole area for the doors, the face panels and the acrylic panel to be fixed in front of. The boxing all around, taking into account those pipes. All panels are cut to size. That piece that's coming out to be boxed in entirely, and then the seats on top, of course. The table in the center, again with some trunking from the nearest electrical point to supply power to the center. And then here is the area for the desks. You can see the desk shapes there. And this is where the installation of the bookshelves, although there's cut to size panels, they will need to be cut and scribed to create those bookshelves so that they fit with the slanted ceiling. That's 3 banks of U-shapes desks. And then of course the desk that's pictured here, this is what's already installed. And the new desk is to come off at exactly the same height to create a unified surface going along and around. And then of course finally is this office with the U-shape. Again, the decks to be butted up against the 2 slanted ceilings and some cutting to be done around this existing shape if it can't be removed, but ideally it looks like it can, and it would be removed at least at this first part to allow for the side filer, and then scribing all around these wall shapes to get the worktop which goes on top of the other 2 side filers to fit the shape of the wall exactly. And again there'll be the chrome legs which I will send pictures of to support all of this. There may be a small amount of scribing to go around the heater, but the height should be enough to go over that. The bookshelf and the polycarbonate section of that is to go dead center against this window so that it comes back from that. So that's what to measure off from, and then you have 2 panels to cut once the desktops are in place to get exactly the right lengths. Okay, this looks like it's going to be in this corner facing in that direction, and then of course the boxing in underneath the windows, doors to be removed, boxing in and seating, and small doorways allowing for access and storage underneath, both there and here as well. Okay, I hope that provides a good recap. Get in touch.